Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. Before I start the video, I wanted to let you guys know that I am now offering channel memberships on this YouTube channel. Basically, you join my squad, the Rad Squad, and you can get awesome perks. The first perk being you get to join in on my monthly live streams. I'm actually doing my first one the weekend of May 22nd. I don't know if it's going to be on that Friday or Sunday night. I'm currently polling everyone to see when the best available day and time is for them. I'm also going to be adding new perks soon, like members only videos, first access to new videos, stuff like that. So I have a link down below if you are interested. Let's get on to the Q&A. Hi there. Hello, Sadie. I'm wondering how you sort and keep your inventory nice and organized. I'm a part-time seller and would love some advice and guidance in this area. Thank you. Love your videos. Thank you. Okay, so I have a whole laundry list of videos that I need to film. One of them is an inventory tour. I'm gonna show you guys how I store my inventory. So basically, just to like give you guys a rundown, I have everything in plastic bags. Like each item goes in a plastic bag with a cute little thank you sticker on it. And then I have different bins that the items are sorted in. Oh, I get this question a lot too. So my way of keeping track of what's in the bins is in the listing, I put the bin name at the bottom of the listing. I've gotten a lot of people ask me lately, like, what does this mean? What does bin AR mean? And I'm like, oh, it's just the bin that this shirt is in. It's the bin that the shirt is in. It's the bin that the Okay. So as you can see right here at the bottom of this listing, if my camera will focus, it says bin, what does it say? SL. So yeah, that is the bin that this jacket is in. Don't sing it again, Vanessa. So after I sell something, I look at the listing and I go to the bin and I can take it out. I kind of have everything just like thrown in there. Everything isn't like numbered. Like I've seen people have like bins and then have them like organized in the bins by like number or something, that way you can like easily search for it. I'm not that organized. Everything's literally just thrown in the bin, so I do have to like comb through the bin to find the item, but it literally only takes like a couple seconds. It's nothing like crazy, but yeah, that's how I organize my inventory. I have, oh my gosh, I don't know how many bins I have. I don't know, I'd have to go up there and count. But like I said, I do plan on doing an inventory tour video, whatever you want to call it, soon. I'm also going to do a day in the life video soon because that has been very requested. And there's another one too that I forgot. I'll have to look back in my notes. Okay, next question. Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, okay, hold on. Before the next question, I want to let you guys know of something super exciting that is happening this weekend, actually. So Brad and John, I think that's their names, I'm pretty sure, Brad and John, they are the Posh Kings on Poshmark, and they are having this like huge Zoom call thing. It's called the no, not suppository, Vanessa. Symposium? Symposium. Hold on, what the hell is it called? What did they call it? What did they call it? I gotta look it up. Why it was suppository the first thing that came to my mind? You guys watch Erin Williams on YouTube? I love her. She's so freaking funny. But she recently, I don't know, in her Instagram story, she posted a picture of a wine and I screenshotted it because I was like, oh my gosh, that looks and sounds so good. When I can drink wine again, I'm buying it. I don't even know how much it costs. It could be like $1 million a bottle. I don't know. Okay, where is that screenshot of their little event that they're having? Where is it? Right, I could just go to the Instagram. That would be the easiest thing to do. Symposium. I don't know what that word means. It's a virtual reseller symposium. I need to look up that word. Oh, it's a conference or meeting to discuss a particular subject. So just a fancy word for a friggin' meeting, okay? Anyway, I don't expect anything less from them though, because they are like, you know, super fancy like that. Never mind. Maybe you can't go to it because it just said they sold out of their tickets. They had 500 tickets to it and it sold out. Anyway, if they're able to get more tickets, I'll link it down below. It's happening this weekend on the 16th and 17th. It's on Zoom. I don't know how you can sell out on Zoom. Is there like a limit to the amount of people that can go on one call? Maybe there is, I don't know. But anyway, I'll have info linked down below and you guys can check that out. Okay, next question. Do you think it's more important to follow as many people as possible or to maintain a bigger follower to following ratio? Okay, so I've said this a million times and I stand by this 100,000,000%. The more followers you have, the more sales you will make. I think it's super important to follow people because they will in turn hopefully potentially turn around and follow you. Some people say that the amount of followers you have doesn't matter, like, you know, sales wise, but that doesn't make any sense to me because the more followers you have, the more eyes in your closet, so that's like potential sales. So how can anyone say that, oh, follower count doesn't matter? Like, yes, it's possible to get a lot of sales without having a lot of followers, but having a lot of followers, again, more eyes on your closet. So I don't know how someone can say, I've seen this going around like the reseller community lately. People are like, oh, you don't have to worry about follower count. Oh, don't worry about that. Don't worry about following people. First of all, following people is one of like the quickest and easiest tasks to do. You can literally follow like 100 people in like a minute, less than a minute. So I just, I don't know, that's just one thing I'm just kind of like, eh. But again, that's just common sense to me. The more eyes in your closet, the more potential sales you will have. So why wouldn't you want to have as many followers as you can? You know, like, I don't know why people are so against like having a lot of followers or think that it's not an important thing. Like, I don't know. What was your other question? Or to maintain a bigger follower to following ratio. I don't look at the ratio. I just follow as many people as I can. That's just my way that I do it. Follow as many people as you can. And it's working out. Okay, next question's from Stephanie. I finally had a chance to sign up. Oh, she signed up for my Rad Squad. Thank you, Stephanie. I'm so excited. Okay, she says, I have a question for your next Q&A. I see where some sellers post coming soon listings. Have you done this or do you think that that's beneficial? I hope you have a good week. Thank you, Stephanie. I hope you have a good week too. I personally think that's a waste of time. Why wouldn't you just list it? You know, like, why would you waste your time posting like, oh, coming soon, in hopes that maybe they'll come back to your closet? Like, maybe they'll remember that you're posting something they're potentially interested in, and then they might remember to come back to your closet. Why wouldn't you just post it or like list it? You know, like, I don't know. I think that's kind of like a waste of time. I think that's where maybe Posh Stories will come into play. You can, like, I don't know, tease people, be like, oh, I'm listing this, and then list it. I wouldn't do like coming soon listings because I think that's just a waste of time. Just list it. Just get stuff listed. I don't understand people that have like death piles or money piles. Like, list that shit. That's literally money sitting on your floor. Like, what are you waiting for? List it. Okay, last question. Hi, Vanessa. I need some Poshmark related advice. Hopefully you can help me out. I'm a military spouse and we are moving this summer across the country. I want to know what to do with all my inventory. Should I pack it all up and take it with me, or should I try to sell as much as possible and start all over when I arrive to our new base? I'm nervous to purge everything before moving since I'm not sure how thrift stores will be where we're going, but I also don't want to move with boxes and boxes of clothes. Love your videos and congrats on baby number 5. Thank you. Okay, so that's a hard one. I guess it really depends on how much inventory you have. You know, if you've got like thousands and thousands of items, then I would try to sell off things before you move because, you know, you probably need a moving truck just for, you know, your inventory. I say definitely bring some inventory with you because you're right, you don't know what the thrift stores are going to be like where you live. You know, you could do a little research. You could, you know, Google local thrift stores and see what they're like there. But yeah, I think it definitely depends on how many items you have. You know, if you've had items that have been sitting for a while, you know, you could run like a closet clear out type thing and, you know, have a sale to get rid of those items. I think I would do that. I think I would have like a clear out sale or like a moving sale and get rid of the items that, you know, have been sitting a while or that, you know, I can afford to let go. And do that and then take the rest of the inventory with me. Definitely depends on how many items you have. Like I said, if you have thousands and thousands, girl, I wouldn't be bringing thousands of items across the country. I would definitely try to sell stuff off first and then bring the rest with you. Okay, so that is it for this Q&A. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. You should follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I have been posting more on Instagram, and Twitter's my favorite. I've been on Twitter forever, since like 2006, I think, 2006, 2007, and I just love it. Those links will be down below. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.